Magandang umaga. Aray nga pala, nagpapantay tayo ng mga bata. Nung nag-skincare ako sa taas, bumaba sila dun sa brother ko downstairs. Nakikinood. Jacob, come here. Come. Talk to the guys. Talk to the guys.
Hi.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Tell them what you're having. You're having a baby sister or baby brother? They don't understand you. Put your
Brother.
brother. I have baby brother. You excited for your baby brother? Be a kuya. Come on.
Kuya. Me go kuya. Where's Kuya Bashin?
Kuya Bashin's upstairs.
Can you see her?
You want to watch?
Yes. And I can watch upstairs if you want. Kuya Bashin.
No, you watch down here. Nina will watch you.
Oh no.
Why?
It's sour.
Huh?
It's a sour one.
Oh, there's no feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's right here at Nina's pocket.
Can
You
you?
want this one?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Don't touch it.
Yes, our feet.
Ayan, papalagay siya ng paa. Ng tripod. The tripod is not there.
Oh, it's a
Click, click. Okay. Can you get the remote? Can you reach it? Is it too high? Nasa likod yung remote. Is it too high? Okay, Nina will go get it.
At Ava.
Ate Eva's downstairs? Is it? Oh, it's not here. Where's the remote? Where? Oh, it's beside me. It's right here. Cause Papa's nasa armrest pala. Kasi nandito kaya si Papa nanonood. Nakatulog tapos umakyat na. Who's singing? Ito, oh, yes? Okay, let's go pee-pee.
Looks like I need to go across.
Jacob, sit beside Nina.
It's cold outside.
Oh yeah?
Go on these platforms.
Well, it's summer.
See, these are clear. You can see through them. See?
Excited for your trip?
Whoa.
Yeah, of course
I'm
I've
gonna get
long
on.
drive.
Road trip?
4 days lang kayo doon, di ba pa?
Yeah.
I see some more foam pits over here with trampolines in them. Let's go.
Jacob. Jacob.
Road trips aside, I try not
Hi.
to drink so much so I don't have to keep going to the bathroom.
Yeah.
What are you watching?
No problem.
Lippy? Okay.
This is a trampoline, and we're gonna jump on it.
Wow.
Pauwi na sila, Jacob. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Saan siya pupunta? Nilipat. Gusto niya mag-drive. Hindi siya pwede mag-drive. Malaki yung tiyan ng nanay niya. Nilipat sa kabila. Dahil ilalagay na yata nila yung Bakit nasa gitna si Jacob? Hindi pa yata nilipat. Doon lang sumakay. Anyways, uuwi na sila kasi mumol kami. Sasama ako kila mama at papa. Bibili sila mama at papa ng pasalubong para sa tito namin sa US. Anyways, a-upload ako ng vlog na tinatawag ako. Wait lang ma! Yeah! Yes! Ang peace na ako. What is it ma? Ha? Ano ma? Nawala na tuloy ako sa sasabihin ko. Anyways, sasama ako sa kanila sa mall. Kakalis lang nila guys. Yeah, sasama ako sa mall kila mama kasi bibili sila ng pasalubong ng tito ko at saka yung asawa niya sa mall. Huh? Yeah, bibili ng pasalubong yung sila mama at papa sa mall for my tito and then auntie. Yeah, anyways, bibihis lang ako sandali and then bibihis lang sandali para makapag-ready na ako. Ava, you go home! You go home! Yes, mama, nandiyan sa labas. Ayaw umuwi. Wala na. Hey, Ava girl.
Hi.
Why you didn't go home? You go home.
But I just want to go
You're-
shopping with my mom. The mama.
Your daddy left you. You know that? You know that?
Yeah. But I just wanted to shop with my
Stop
mama.
moving.
I want to shop
What do you want to
with
buy?
the mama.
Huh? What do you want to buy? Nothing naman pala eh. Bakit gusto mo pa sa
I
mama?
wanna go with Lola Mama so she
Oh,
can
because
buy
you're
the
playing.
stuff. I pressed it.
What are you playing? What is that?
Oh.
Tell the guys. Tell the guys.
Angry Cat.
Huh?
Angry Cat. No.
Is that a Roblox?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And Pogo. Yep. And Pogo. Yep.
What are you talking?
Pogo.
Nakabis na ako ma. Mabilis ang pag-i-straight ng hair. Mukha akong bagong gising sa buko. Pag naka-ponytail. Ito na naman ang outfit natin. T-shirt and pantalon. Iiwan kong bukas tong laptop ko. Naka-charge naman siya. So, hindi siya mamamatay. Hopefully. Ay, mag-i-sleep pala to. Kasi, lagi naman. Nakakatulugan ko nga ito nag-i-sleep siya. Nagkukusang turn off siya. Yeah, so si Ava, nagpaiwan siya kasi gusto niya mag-shopping. Yung kuya niya, umuwi na sa kanila. Pinick up siya ng tatay nila. Yan, okay yan. Iwan ko lang siya dito para lumamig. Pero tatanggalan natin siya ng saksak. Ay, ay, ay. Let me see if gumalaw yung upload ko. Pinicturean ko kasi. Yan natin. Gumalaw yung dalawa. Ay, hindi. Isa lang. Hindi dalawa. Ewan ko. Yeah, may gumalaw naman. So, iwan kong naka-on yan. Bahala na. Anyways, I need to put my socks. Ano naman ito? Oh my gosh! Ala, may tinapay pala dito. Hindi pa naman panis. May tinapay, may ube, hopya, yung tipas hopya. Pasalubong ng kaibigan namin ng sister ko. And merong binilan nga ako ng sabon na Huggies pineapple. White socks. I already can. Anyways. Yeah. Binilhan niya ako ng pineapple na sabon sa Boracay daw. Ito siya. Ayan ang cute. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya. Mukha talagang sabon. Ay, mukha talagang pineapple pala. Ayan. I-ano ko na lang. I-turn off ko na lang. Shut down natin. Shut down natin yan. Yes. You happy now?
Yeah.
May coach yung isang anak nila eh. Kaya kung may laro sila.
What are you planning to buy? Nothing. Mamaya ang dami na namang bili nitong si Nothing. Ha, Eva?
Yeah.
Are you gonna buy something for Lolo Doc?
What
And
should we get for him?
What shall we give
him? And Lola Banji? Banji ba?
What should we get for her and him?
What should we get for her? Can you think of
For her and for him. For Lola and Lolo.
That's my part.
You want to give them a Lay's ketchup flavor?
Ketchup paper?
Yeah, they don't have it sa US, right?
chips? Ketchup paper.
Ketchup nga flavor.
Flavor. Akala ko paper. O, tingnan mo. Matatanda na yung mga nandiyan. Siguro noon, wala silang mga anak. Ngayon na may apo na silang batang babae.
Ano mga marites mo, di mo kilala.
No, kasi si dad, sabi niya, yung bahay na yan noon, di ba sino? Yung parang, walang dekorasyon. Ngayon may mga bahay-bahayan na sila doon. Kasi nandiyan yung mga bata. Yung mga bata.
Baka nagbakasyon.
Hindi, dyan na nakatira.
Bakit baby?
Parang si Amelia, si Jacob.
Why are you playing with your sandals? Go follow Mama.
We're not getting the baby stuff, Ava, until the baby comes out.
You're so excited sa baby, ah.
We cannot buy him because we don't know how big is he.
He's a big baby.
So we have to check him first.
Colombian. CK. Parehas pa sa 2T. 3T. Okay ba? Ganito. Ganda ng color. Pang babae o pang lalaki? Mukhang ay pang babae. Sabihin ko sana unisex. Meron pang purple one. Dito nga pala kami sa Hudson's Bay.
Itong babaeng to, I love it sa
Bakit? You love everything.
Why do you love everything?
Wow. That's a big pantalon.
7.
Ito ma, nice color.
Which color?
Which color do you like?
Oh, this one for baby. So, 5 months ba yan? Parang kukunti lang paninda nila dito. Oh, this one's cute. How about this one, Ava?
Too small.
Small?
Yeah.
Too small? What size? Let me see. Size 2T. Yeah, too small. Okay, put it back, please. How about the short? That one, this one.
Cute. Cute, Aunt.
Cute? Cute? You don't like it?
I like it.
Uh-huh. What did you bought, Ava?
We bought eye other stuff, like shoes.
Shoes? You got sandals?
Sandals.
I think it's a yellow green. Was it yellow green or yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow. And then we got your 2 dresses. Oh no, 1 dress and 1 pants.
Yeah.
Bumili ba naman ng maong na pantalon? It's your first pants, right?
Yeah.
Like jeans pants?
Yeah. It's my first. Yeah, it's my first.
We're waiting for Mama. Mama is behind us.
She's paying for it.
She's paying for it.
Remember, don't steal from stores.
You'll don't do it. And you will pay Mama?
Yeah.
You sure? Ang dami mga bugwit. There's a lot of mosquito here. Huh?
Yeah.
We're waiting for Mama and she will pay for it. And babayaran mo si Mama. Huh? You will pay Mom? You will pay Lola Mama? Maybe? Do you have money now?
I left it at home.
Okay. Got chips for Tito Doc and Tita. And she bought. What is that?
Cooler.
Kool-Aid for water.
Yeah. Boy, the
May
one
nabili na naman po siya.
to make the
And then show them the candies.
Here, what we got? Buddy Beat
We
and
got Maynard's,
Sweet Berry.
peach, and what's the other one?
Cheers!
Swedish berry.
Swedish Berry.
And we got Tim Hortons coffee.
Watermelon, chocolate, and
Watermelon
Spaghetti.
chocolates. And what is that? I don't know.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Daming tao sa Walmart. Lots of people, huh?
Yeah.
Ah.
So today
Tell them what
we're
you
gonna be
bought. You
doing
bought
a lot of butter.
Bath and Body Works, mist, perfume.
Yes. we got all
Naka-buy
that.
3, get 1 free sila. So, kumuha din ako ng dalawa sa akin. Dalawa for her. What are you doing? After this, we're going home.
Yes.
You're going home.
Yes, I'm going home.
Why are you covering your, ano? Hmm?
I can talk better.
Oh, okay. That's okay. We're waiting for Mama.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna go home soon. Once we're going home, I'm gonna say a goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay.
I'm gonna miss
We're gonna
you
say
all.
goodbye. Okay. We just got home. Dumaan pa kami kila Ate Angel. Ano gagawin ko? Dumaan pa kami kila Ate Angel to drop Ava sana. Kaso lang, sumama na naman sa amin. Yeah. So bumalik si Sebastian din. Sumama din si Sebastian. Gusto niya mag-sleep over tonight and tomorrow na lang sila uuwi. Kasi sa Wednesday, pupunta kami sa US sa tito ko. Ayusin ko lang yung kalat ko kanina. Ano naman gusto ni Alvin? Afternoon. Subukan ko nga baka mabilis na yung internet ng laptop ko. Ayan. Wala ko ayaw eh. Ay. Ilang araw ko nang tinitry i-upload tong August 9 until August 9 hanggang August 12. I don't know. Anyways. So, kanina sa mall, si Ava lang ang nakapag-shopping. I mean, siya lang nakapag-shopping ng marami. Bawat makita niya, ano, oh yeah, I want that, I want that, I want this, I want that. Pero syempre, hindi naman namin binili lahat. I mean, si mama. Si mama lang pala nagbayad. Nasa yung nabili ko kanina? Ito pala, meron ako nabili for myself. Pero si mama yung nagbayad. Kasi binilhan niya si Ava. And this one is buy 3, get 1 free sila sa Bath and Body Works. This one and ito amin ko, ano ba ito? Wala nakasabi ko anong amoy niya. Anong flavor na amoy niya. Ito ay Into the Night. Parang unisex yung amoy niya. Ito, babaeng babae. Yeah. Yeah. Hindi sana ako sasama sa US pero napasama na ako. Kasi at tagal ko na rin hindi nakikita yung sa side nila papa. Yung mga kasing yang yun. So, yeah. I want to go there. And hopefully, makapag-vlog tayo doon. Anyways. Ano ba ito? Tingnan ko kung maganda yung internet. Mag-play ako ng isang vlog. Oh, nag-play right away. So, maganda yung internet. So, iiwan ko lang ito. Iiwan ko lang itong nakabukas. And then, maliligo ko. 9:35 na. Let me message my boyfriend pala. Tawagan na lang natin. May bisita tayo. You smell good, Ava.
Thanks.
Did you use that perfume?
Yeah.
You
I
did?
used the perfume. Yeah.
You smell like an old lady.
I smell like a beautiful old lady. Right?
You? Yes. What are you playing again?
Obby, but you're a bunny.
Huh?
Obby, but you're a bunny. I said Obby, but you're a bunny.
Abby, but you're a bunny.
Yeah. You have to collect carrots to get new stuff. Yay.
Okay. Tinawag ko siya kasi sabi nga sa akin, gusto
Yay,
niyang
Got the carrots. You have to collect
Close your
carrots
blood.
to go to bunnies, to get bunnies.
Okay.
We have brown bunny.
Look, I'm uploading a vlog, our vlogs.
Okay.
Okay, you don't care?
I do care.
Oh, okay, ate. So, can you close our vlog since you said you want to close our vlog? Huh? You talk to them, you still playing.
Yes. I want to upload our vlog.
No, you close our vlog. You talk to the
Close our
guys.
vlog.
Yes. Because Tita Aryan will go shower.
Because Tita Aryan will go shower. Okay.
Why are you copying me?
Sorry.
You got nothing to say? Or you're busy?
I'm busy.
Aw, I called you because you said you want to close our vlog.
Bye. So we're
But
gonna
you're
close our
busy.
vlog today. We're gonna close our vlog today.
Tell them what we're gonna do tomorrow.
We're gonna
Tomorrow morning.
we're gonna go to the US.
To their house, no, to your house.
To my house,
Yeah.
and we're gonna.
What did your daddy say? He said, pause that for a bit. He said, you guys are going home early because we're picking up a lot of
stuff.
stuff. What stuff? Plum? Yeah, magpipick up kami ng, ewan ko kung sasama ako bukas or sila lang. Pero sabi ng bayaw ko marami daw silang Ah! Is that free? Download ko na naman ng Yeah, sabi ng bayaw ko marami daw plum na pipitasin tomorrow. I think napakita ko yun sa vlog. Pero hindi ko pa na-edit. Right, Ava?
Yeah.
Okay. Dito na lang guys kasi maliligo pa ako.
Yeah.
And papalayasin ko na itong bata na to sa kwarto ko. Gusto niya lang kasing close nga yung vlog. Kaya ako siya tinawag dito.
Melon.
You're trying to... Is that Tagalog? You're trying to speak Tagalog again?
Yeah. And I'm playing Roblox. So I'm using AutoCoin.
Okay, tell them good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
See you guys.
See you guys later.
Bukas? Can you say bukas?
Bukas.
Bukas. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night, guys.
Good night.